Welcome to our channel Ma Chinnabadi. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Please press on bell symbol to get notifications. Oceans and fishing. Oceans and fishing. Ocean movements. The subtopic is ocean movements. Ocean movements are mainly three kinds. How many kinds are there? Mainly three kinds. First one, waves, and second one, ocean currents, and third one, tides. Ocean movements mainly three types. First one, waves, and second one, ocean currents, and third one, tides. These are the types of the ocean movements. First of all, we have to discuss about the waves. Waves are nothing but a movement of the water. What was the movement? The rise and fall of ocean surface water called as waves. The rise and fall of ocean surface water called as waves. These are forming by gentle winds. When wind blows faster, then the wave will be also bigger. When wind blows faster, the wave will be a bigger. These are the waves. And the second one, ocean currents. The flow of water from one part to another part. The flow of water from one part to another part. We may see here the flow of water from one part to another part called as the ocean currents, or one direction to another direction. It may be north direction to south direction or south direction to north direction. These are called as the ocean currents, or the moving of ocean water. The moving of ocean water is also called as the currents. These are the ocean currents. These flow in a definite direction. These will flow in a different direction. These are mainly two types. First one, warm currents, and second one, cold currents. How many types of the ocean currents? Two types. First one is the warm currents, and the second one is the cold currents. Now, warm currents. These are flow from the equatorial region to poles. These will flow from the equatorial region to poles. From the equatorial region to poles. These are called as the warm currents. These are called as the warm currents. And the next one, cold currents. And second one is the cold currents. Poles to the equatorial direction. These will flow from the poles to the equatorial direction. These are forming by the two things. These are forming by the overall currents. These are forming by the main three reasons. First one are the prevailing winds. First one is the prevailing winds, and second one is the temperature differences in oceans. And third one is the salinity differences in oceans. Three main reasons for forming currents. Those are: first one, prevailing winds, and the second one, temperature differences in oceans, and third one, salinity differences in oceans. These are the currents. And third one is the tides. Then what is the tide? A rhythmic rise and fall in level of water every day. These are called as the tides. What are tides? A rhythmic rise. And fall of in level of water is called as the tide. All coast experiences these tides are rise and fall of ocean water, like some hours of high tide and some hours of low tide. When the tide is high, water come up to the coast. When the tide is high, water come up to the coast. When the having low tide, water moves back from the land. Water will move back from the land. Then use of the tides. There are so many uses of tides. What are the uses of the tides? First one, a great help. These tides are will great help for the fishermen, for the fisher folk to catch up much fishing. And second one, prevent silting. How it works? How this prevent silting? It is very easy. Ocean water will take away the mud or silt or sedimentations brought by the river or brought down by the river, and in this way these tides prevent silting. In this way, this prevent silting. And the next one, forming of tides. Then how they formed? Tides mainly influenced by the gravitational force of sun and the moon. Tides mainly influenced by the gravitational force of the sun and moon. Moon having great, what was it? Moon having great gravitational force than sun due to distance from the earth. Due to distance from the earth. Tides also depend on shapes of oceans. Tides also depends on shapes on the oceans. This is the end. If you having any doubts, please send to me and give your valuable suggestions. Please share, like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.